Okay, so they're both fixed. He's fixed, and what is he actually doing? You know, and this is the black cat is Tina, and Yoder is the Mancoon, but they're both fixed, and both rescues. I've had Yoda for like 7, 8 years from the shelter. I got her over a year ago, and she used to always fight him. But what is he actually doing? Because they're both, like I say, are fixed. And cats are fixed. She'll let him have his fun, but he's not really doing anything. I think it's the fact that he's holding her as he likes, but sometimes he gets a little rough. And she'll whack him and get him off of her. And what's strange is when he doesn't do this, she walks over to him and tells him to do it. But he's not really doing anything. He's just holding her from the back of her neck. When cats are fixed. But she actually likes this, believe it or not. Yeah, if she gets tired of it, she'll let him know it's time to stop. When cats are fixed, she's not really doing anything, but I guess it's for he's holding her and she's liking that part of it. Alright, folks. There she is, the flower. Talk to you guys later.